Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the second part of our video series in which we are learning about shapes in Korean language. In the first part of the series, I gave you an introduction about the series, what you are going to learn in the series and how this series of videos is going to help you in learning Korean language. So now in the second part, let's dive deeper and talk about some of the very basic shapes in Korean language. So let's begin. Now, before we go through this video, I want to give you a brief introduction about what we are going to learn in this video. So, as I said earlier, in this video, we are going to dive deeper into our shapes in Korean series. We'll start by learning the Korean words for dot and line, and then a variety of lines, including very basic ones like straight line, curved line, as well as we are going to talk about diagonal line, parallel line, perpendicular lines. So this video is all about dot and lines in Korean language. So let's get started. Here comes the first question. What is dot in Korean language? What do you call a dot in Korean? The very basic shape, dot. So the Korean word for dot is tom. Tom. Just one syllable word. Very easy. Tom. Now let's move ahead and look at the next question. What is line in Korean? What is the Korean word for line? So the word for line is Korean is son. Son. Again, this is very easy. Just one syllable word. Son. Okay. Now, depending on their type, lines have different names. So let's see the Korean name for different kinds of lines. Okay. So first comes straight line. In Korean, it is 직선. 직선. Son means line, as we have seen earlier, and 직선 means straight line in Korean. Okay. Next comes curved line, and in Korean it is 곡선. 곡선. Now let's move ahead and see the Korean word for diagonal line. So in Korean it is 대각선. 대각선. Next comes the Korean word for horizontal line. Now there are two words for horizontal line in Korean. One is 가로선, 가로선, and the second word is 수평선, 수평선. Now, most of the times you will notice that horizontal line is Korean is 가로선. But sometimes you can also see 수평선 being referred to as horizontal line in Korean. Although 수평선 means horizon. Okay, so the Korean word for horizon, 수평선. Now you can relate this to horizon very easily. Horizon is basically a horizontal line. You know the horizon, that is the point where the sky and the earth they meet. So the horizon is basically a horizontal line. So therefore, sometimes you can see that horizontal line in Korean is referred as 수평선. So both of these words, they can mean horizontal line in Korean, but 가로선 is more commonly used in geometry or mathematical context. Okay? Now, next comes the Korean word for vertical line. Now, vertical line, again, there are two ways to say this. One is 세로선, 세로선, and the second word is 수직선, 수직선. Both of these words, they can be used to say vertical line in Korean. Now let's move ahead and see the next line, that is perpendicular line. Now, perpendicular line is 수직선, 수직선. We have just seen this, that the Korean word for vertical line is also 수직선. So don't get confused. With the help of the context, you'll be able to identify whether we are talking about vertical line or perpendicular line. Okay, so in Korean, there is single word for both vertical and perpendicular line, that is 수직선. Okay, next comes parallel line, and it is 평행선. 평행선. Now let's move ahead and see how to say zigzag line in Korean. And this one is very easy. It is 지그재그선. 지그재그선. As you can see, this one is the transliteration of the word zigzag. Tig, jig. Okay? And line is son. So, zigzag line in Korean is 지그재그선. Okay? Next is the Korean word for wavy line, and it is 물결선. 물결선. Now let's see how to say dotted line in Korean, and this one is very easy. 점선. 점선. 점, we have seen, is the Korean word for dot, and son means line. So a line made up of dots, that is a dotted line, is 점선. Very easy? Okay, so in this video, we learned some of the very basic shapes in Korean language. That is dot and different kinds of lines in Korean. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.